Okay, so all the information about Rubio shipping U.S. citizens over to El Salvador for prison in their Supermax is something that we already have laws about. So 8 U.S.C. 1481 outlines limited scenarios for voluntary relinquishment of citizenship, not applicable to criminal situations. And then 8 U.S.C. 1227 lists deportable offenses for non-citizens that explicitly exclude U.S. citizens. So we already have the 14th Amendment, which guarantees that individuals born or naturalized in the U.S. are citizens, and citizenship cannot be stripped away involuntarily, except in rare cases like denaturalization for fraud, but that requires a separate legal process and it has nothing to do with criminal conviction. We also have the Immigration and Nationality Act, which governs deportation or removal, but it only applies to non-citizens, green card holders, visa holders, undocumented individuals, not U.S. citizens. So there is no law that's needed to prevent deportation of U.S. citizens during prison terms because citizen itself bars deportation. Only non-citizens would face removal regardless of incarceration status. That in itself is still alarming, and we should definitely bring that up to our senators and representatives as far as what we expect from them. But as far as U.S. citizens going to El Salvador, there are already laws in place to protect that. That's also not to say that we shouldn't also be approaching our senators and representatives about whether or not our administration should be threatening U.S. citizens with deportation to El Salvador, a foreign country, to be monitored by a foreign entity and government while we're imprisoned indefinitely without parole or option for any U.S. services, court, media, whatever. Nobody would be able to contact us. That seems super shady and not like something that the administration of the government should be threatening its citizens with. Maybe bring that up.